Hey, hello, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, so we're back on YouTube. So on this channel, we do fashion, lifestyle content. If you're interested, make sure you hit the subscribe down below. So today's video is going to be...
My love is your love, baby. Me now want the Gucci bag or the Fendi. I give me butterflies in my belly. You love. My love is your love, baby. If I was Johnny, baby, you go save me. I give me butterflies.
Fashion Nova jean try on haul. It's been a while since I did this haul. Like, I love Fashion Nova jeans. So if you know one or two things about Fashion Nova, you know their jeans are always a steal. I'm gonna try to link the jeans down below. You know Fashion Nova that they're quick to sell out, so I don't know if they're still out there on the site, but I'll try to link it down below. This is the first item. I'm gonna be showing you guys the jeans. I'm gonna put the try on portion on this side so you guys can see. So this is the first pair I got. Seasonal stretch flare jeans in a size 13. So this is how it's looking like. I love it. Like, it's just so stretchy. You guys can see. You guys can see how it look on me. I just love everything about it. It's just giving the body. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's giving. Yeah, the body is T, okay? Just look at this pants. Like I said, I got in a size 13 because I don't like my pants fitting too tight. And I like to be comfortable. I don't really like jeans. So when I wear jeans, I would like it to be comfortable. So yeah, I love this jean. I love the flare bottom. As you guys can see, these are so cute. You can definitely style these jeans up anything. Like, it doesn't matter what type of style you're into, as long as you pair with a cute little top. You know, for me, I'm a girly girl, so I put my little heels. This is the next one. I love everything about simple, basic, stretch, straight jeans, okay? So these are straight jeans. I love everything about it. I just love the wash on these jeans. It looks so good. And it's just giving mommy jeans. Is that what they call mommy jeans or something? But yeah, I love it. I love the wash on this jeans. And like I said, I love Fashion Nova jeans. Everything are so stretchy. I love my jeans stretchy. Like, come on now. Who don't like a good stretch in the jeans? I do. I don't like tight fitting jeans. I don't like to be uncomfortable. So if that's you, definitely, you know, get you a pair from Fashion Nova. Like, I love it. It's just the back of it. You guys can see it looks so good on me. I love everything about it. Like, it's giving. The body is there, like, but the Fashion Nova just enhance everything that you like. You don't need to do too much. Just get your nice pair of jeans and you'll be on your way, okay? So this is the second item I got. Almost, now that I realize some of these jeans, the washes are solid like the same. They're the same kind of wash, but they're different kind of styles, so I kind of like that. All right, guys, so this is the third one right here. High-waisted, I'm a high-waisted girly, so if that's what you're into, girl, what you're waiting on, grab your pair from Fashion Nova. Like, it's giving. Body is T. Okay, this is a black pair of ones that I got. It's right here. This is their, oh, the tag came off of it. But like, all my jeans are in size 13. You guys can see this is how it look at me. They're a little bit big because I don't like my jeans too tight. I could have got it a size 11, but I think I got a 13 instead. But this is how it's looking at me. As you guys can see, it's giving. The body is there. The body is T. Okay, what's up? Like, I love me some Fashion Nova jeans. Like, if you don't have a pair in 2025, you better grab you one. Just grab you one and try. You'll thank me later. Come back on this video and let me know which pair of jeans you got, and let me know how you love Fashion Nova jeans, because everybody loves Fashion Nova jeans. Like, come on now. Like, it's giving. All right, so this is the third item. I'm going to show you guys the next item. Stay tuned, guys. Next pair of jeans right here. This is their show it off skinny jeans. Okay, so these are different compared to the ones I've been getting. This is their skinny jeans. I love it. It's kind of, it has a little bit of stretch in there. Let me see what size this is. This is size 13 also. Skinny jeans are kind of in the past. I don't really wear them like that, but sometimes I'll grab me one just to try. Yeah, so this is a 4 pair of jeans I got from Fashion Nova. I love how I look. I love everything so far. They look so good on me. Like, it's giving. You cannot compete where you don't compare, sis. Like, get with Fashion Nova, all right? So I'm going to show you guys the last pair. Wash is kind of different from the other one, but I love it. Do you guys see how it look on me? It's just giving the body. It's giving tea. I know these wash kind of look the same, but to me, it's a different wash. But on camera, it might look the same. Hopefully, it don't look too similar to all the jeans. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I love the fat. Look at how stretchy this pants is. It's so stretchy, y'all. Look at this. This is like a 2 extra size. Like, I just love everything about it. Do y'all see the stretch in these jeans? You cannot go wrong, sis. Would you? Yeah, you know, so I just wanted to thank you for watching this short little try on haul. If you guys want to see more try on haul from me, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.